Ang weird ng Converge, pero okay lang. Let me explain. Of course, for the league to be competitive, kailangan may mga teams na magko-compete against SMC and MVP teams. Those teams are supposed to be Rain or Shine, Phoenix at Converge kasi sila yung mga independent. For context, Converge, after ng Alaska Days, after mabenta, there were a team na you'd really root for kasi they gave off independent team vibes para silang Rain or Shine. Para silang fresh air sa liga na, not necessarily having the greatest or the best of images, kumbaga. And yung team na yon ng Converge dati, they were handled by Dalaus and SGA. Sila yung nag-develop sa core nila right now na sila Justin Arana, Alex Tacton at Deshaun Winston. Yung core na yan, as of recording this, silang tatlo yung leading scorers ng team. They finished the eliminations with a 7-4 record ng Converge. Leading scorer nila tied, pero let's go over Justin Arana first. In 11 games, Arana averaged 16.6 points, 11 rebounds, and almost 3 assists per game. Siya talaga yung naging isa sa mga best players nila this conference. Especially all-Filipino ngayon. Ang laking bagay ng size alongside his skill set na na-surprise ako actually. Hindi ko in-expect na kaya niya mag-operate in the high post and even play make off the double team. Isa pang leading scorer nila ay si Shawnee Winston who also averaged 16.6 points per game. He was mainly a defender earlier in his career pero yung scoring niya talagang nag-blossom this conference para sa Converge. Now, another very important player para sa kanila ay si Alex Tacton. Numbers niya are down compared sa mga previous conferences pero mas malalim na rin kasi yung core ng Converge. Meron na rin mga Justin Baltazar. So, mas maraming kahati sa scoring. Pero through 11 games, nag-average si Tacton ng 15.6 points, 3 rebounds, and almost 3 assists per game. Now, ano ba talagang gusto ko sabihin sa video na to? First of all, I like that Converge is competing. And may actual pieces sila na gawin yun to contend. Actually, meron silang surplus na mga big man or versatile big man na ang hirap mahanap ngayon sa PBA in general. And ngayon, meron silang kontrata or meron silang rights para papirmahin si Mikey Williams if ever they do that, diba? Another piece, another combo guard to add into their rotation. So, ang lalim talaga nila. Pero it's just sad to see na they've become just like those other teams na tinatry nilang talunin. Are they equally worse? Hindi naman, pero they really went from a charming independent team who really focused on basketball to now, just another pro team sa Pilipinas na may politics na involved. Diba? May mga puppet coach, may mga kung anong internal turmoil, etc. Sayang may mga basketball minds sila sa bench dati. They even had Raiko Toroman. Diba? They had Ateneo guys who knows what it takes to build the program. Pero it seemed like parang sabay-sabay silang nawala ng ganun lang. Ngayon, yung Converge team, yes, they have a solid core or collection of good players, pero at the same time, ang dami rin sa roster nila, yung mga nandyan lang kasi, Pampanga sila sa MPBL. I'm not saying na hindi nila deserve yung spot, pero there's a lot of options, diba, for them to have a deeper bench. Pero I feel like ang nangunguna is yung bata kasi ni ganito, bata kasi ni ganyan, which is sad to see kasi ang weird hindi ko maintindihan kung magiging basketball team ba sila na build from the ground up or magiging just another, basketball team sa Pilipinas na may bata system, etc. Anyway, the team is weird kasi in a way na, yes, diba, I'd still root for them kasi it's good for the league. Pag may laro ang Converge, gustuhin ko silang manalo pag nanonood ako. Diba, merong competitor yung mga big market teams, pero I don't know. Maybe, ganun talaga yung kailangan gawin para to makapag-compete. Rain or Shine, mga 2-3 taon ng competitive ever since si Yengyao pumasok ulit dyan. Pero they always fall short sa semifinals, diba? They always fall short of taking that next big step or that big next step. Baka kasi, diba, they don't play those kind of games. Baka kasi they play a different kind of game. Baka kailangan mong sumakay, kailangan mo ring sakyan yung mga ganun para makapalag ka. I'm not really sure. I'm just speaking out loud. Phoenix naman, diba, they're playing the tanking game na baka maging rewarding, diba? Especially mukhang mabibenta ang Terra at saka Northport. Pero for Converge, baka ganun nga. Baka talagang ganun yung paraan to compete against the Giants. Is to be like them as well. So, slay, I guess. Baka yun talaga yung way. So, para sa akin, ang weird nila kasi hindi ko alam kung anong mararamdaman ko about them. Pero siguro okay lang yun.